Yeah, look, that's where the trapdoor things that don't fall through it.
I'm okay!
There's some more stairs here, but they're not ones we came down, is it? Oh yeah, you can. That's an old ass TV for dropping for the party. Halloween shit.
You don't want to go there.
I lost your damn mind!
Yeah. Who's that handsome devil? It's like fucking maze in here, don't it? Why? Nearly fucking wrecked it then. This fucking creepy ass building. There we go, people. See me some shit. People just go in there, but sometimes you gotta do some shit. That's the life of the urban explorer.